Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making this beautiful cake here for an order. We'll also be adding some pastries to it, and then I'll show you how everything goes down. These are the ingredients we are using for today's simple one-layer cake, which someone ordered for. We are going to use American buttercream frosting here and the others that I've colored in different shades. We also use our no sugar and no vanilla syrup. We decorate with some sprinkles. This is the cake box we'll be using. The person ordered for cake and then some pastries, which I'm going to show in the next slide. And this is our vanilla cake layer, an 8-inch cake layer to be precise. We're using some solution tape, the rubber for packaging, some food globes, the cake board, and our timetable here. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. So this is the cake. I've placed it on our cake board. I'm going to drizzle it with some of the milk and vanilla syrup, just to keep it as soft and as delicious. Now we are going to decorate the cake with our plain frosting here, ensuring we cover the top and sides nicely. This is how the cake looks like after the decoration. I substituted with the pink frosting because I wanted the white to be only on the top and not the sides. So this is it. We are going to decorate with the rest here with the aid of these beautiful piping tips, and then we continue from there. Start piping. I'm going to continue with this one here, and we'll do the pink frosting. And we are going to make stars as well. We are just going to make rosettes in between so that the decoration looks nicer, and then we fill up all the portions here. So this is the cake. We are going to write something nice in the middle and then we are done. I'm writing enjoy inside. This is how the cake looks like. So we are going to top it up with just these sprinkles, a little bit of it, and that's it. I'm going to lift the cake from here and then place it straight into the cake box. And this is how it looks like. So we are going to cover it. So this is it. We are going to add on the business sticker here. Then we set it aside and then move on to packaging of the pastries. These are the pastries we are using for today's order. We are going to package them in this box here. Now I'm going to package the meat pie. Then we add in the sausage rolls. So this is it. I'm going to cover. Then we add the business sticker to it. So we are going to place it here. And then we cover with the rubber. And then it's set for pickup by the customer. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we'll meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.